When it comes to getting restorative sleep, you should prioritize non-toxic bedding, chemical-free products, and organically made sleepwear to create a healthy sleep haven. Now, let's go over the 5 essentials you need in your sleep environment to make it healthier and achieve a good night's rest. First, investing in chemical-free products reduces the chance of harmful off-gassing of fumes in your sleep haven, allowing you to sleep better. Certain bedding products can contain artificial dyes or toxic materials, making them less than safe for your skin and overall health. Here are some chemical-free, sustainably made non-toxic bedding materials to consider. Organic cotton or bamboo fibers, natural silk, wool, linen or buckwheat hull, certified organic cotton, natural latex, organic bamboo, and organic wool. Be sure to care for these sustainable fabrics properly. Just as it's important to invest in non-toxic bedding and sustainable sleepwear, cleaning any non-toxic bedding and sustainable sleepwear with chemical-free, earth-based products is just as crucial. Use the EnviroKlenz laundry collection to keep your bedding sets and sleepwear truly clean and odor-free. To achieve odor-free bedding, we take pure earth minerals and magnify their ability to break down and neutralize toxins through our patented process. This earth mineral formula is the key ingredient in every EnviroKlenz product, providing the power to purify any odor, chemical, or toxin. Second, it's important to factor in non-toxic, fragrance-free skincare products to your nighttime routine. Incorporating gentle, natural skincare products into your bedtime routine helps to protect your skin and support a refreshing night of sleep. Third, use chemical-free toothpaste, eco-friendly toothbrushes, and choose natural lip balms. Although oral hygiene products don't necessarily fall into bedroom essentials, choosing healthy oral care products can prepare you for a better night's sleep. Next, choose to wear organically made sleepwear. When you opt for organically made sleepwear, you are not just getting personal benefits, but you're also supporting sustainable and ethical practices in the textile industry. The last essential is healthy sleep snacks. Snacks such as nighttime teas or sleep gummies are made with clean, healthy ingredients and can support a restful night of sleep. When looking for non-toxic bedroom essentials, pay attention to certain materials, certifications, chemical-free products, third-party testing, and ease of maintenance. Discover a safe and effective solution for clean air and laundry products today at EnviroKlenz.com.